Hi there, how are you? Do you want to know how to make photo like this and like this? Okay, I will tell you how to make animation exactly like this, okay? And like this also. Okay, so I will show you how can you make the photo like this one, like moving the sky and the road and some are the fish. Okay, I will show you how. Let's go. First, you need the app called Photo Director. Just open this app, go to edit, select your photo you want to do animation like this one. Photo is on the app. Come in animation. This side will move and this side will freeze. Okay, I mean stop is not moving. Okay, so what we can do for freezing, we select the freeze. Okay, we select this button and make it big and then color all over this one the the place you want to move or the place you want to don't move. Okay, make the cursor is big and color the all over side, color it right. Color. Okay, finish. Select the motion and draw the way you want to, like it's moving. Okay, and then start. See, it start to move. So now you want to do something like you don't want to move this man from here. You don't want to move. What do you do? Select the anchor and then freeze it like that. Freeze it. It will not move anymore. Freeze it perfectly. Then done. Okay, and then give me the speed little bit. Okay, it's done. And then go to save and select this for a snapshot. Okay, select like that and or whatever you want to show and then save. Here you go. The thing is moving, but you have to do this places better fully, then it will look nice. So you can check my TikTok for better idea and better picture. Thank you for watching video.